Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We can share any resource with students in Microsoft Team, like files from MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OpenBoard, or other resources. To share these resources, even we can share any online resource with the students. To share these resources, firstly we need to open all these files. Like I have opened a file uh, of Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel document, Word document, and I am opening a document from OpenBoard at OpenBoard. OpenBoard is also a good tool for online teaching. Now, after opening all these documents, and suppose I want to show this clip to students, I have opened this clip now, and then I will go to Microsoft Team, click on my class, and join the class. After joining the class, I have this icon which is used to share resources with students. When I click on it, here will be the list of all resources which are available right now. These resources are available right now. Suppose at first I want to display this movie clip. I will click over here and then I will start playing it. This is an excellent website for animated presentation. You may note the address of this website. It is also a good resource for us. Now I will click on stop sharing. Then I want to if we want to share a PowerPoint presentation, we will click over here, search the PowerPoint presentation. It is there. Now we can share it with students. If you want to share Word document, we will stop sharing it. Click again on share, and this is a Word document. Now we can share this Word document. If you want to share Excel sheet, this is Excel sheet. If you want to share open board, we can do it. Here is the open board. We can write anything on it using pen or mouse. This is the way to share resources generated on different software on Microsoft Teams. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.